Welcome to the Factoria Recycling and Transfer Station, operated by King County. We'd like to make your visit as simple as possible and show you how to use the recycling services.
The first step to a good visit is to properly load your vehicle. If you have garbage and materials to recycle, keep them separate to make it easier to unload.
Remember to securely cover or fasten your load. Unsecured loads will be assessed a $25 fee.
When you arrive at the station, stop behind the line at the scale and wait for your turn. When the scale is completely clear, drive to the scale house window and tell the scale operator what you are bringing.
Hi there!
Hey, I'm here to get rid of some garbage and some recycle items.
Okay, if you want to follow the red line first for garbage, and then you'll circle around and follow the blue line, find the appropriate bins that are labeled for your recycle items, and then come and see us and pay on the way out. There you go.
Get a weight card if you have garbage, yard waste, or clean wood. If you are dropping off a refrigerant type appliance, ask the scale operator about the fee.
If you are a residential customer enrolled in Orca Lift, Provider 1, or EBT, show your current card to the scale operator for a discount on garbage and recycling fees. If you have a combination of materials, the scale operator will tell you how to unload in a way that may save you time and money. Follow signs and the red pavement stripe leading to the transfer building where garbage can be unloaded.
Enter the transfer building and then back up your vehicle to unload your garbage. This is an active area and your safety is important to us. Children and pets must remain inside your vehicle. Occasionally, you may need to wait for staff members to clear garbage from the floor. When this occurs, the building entrance will be blocked off until it is safe for you to enter the building.
After you unload your garbage, exit the building and follow signs to the exit. Drive toward the outbound scale. Be sure to stop behind the line and wait until the scale is completely clear before driving onto the scale. Give your weight card to the scale operator, who will weigh your vehicle and charge you the fee based on the difference between your initial and second weight.
Now we'll tell you where and how to unload your recyclable materials. 70% of what gets landfilled could be reused, recycled, or composted. Recycling saves natural resources, reduces impacts to climate change, and lengthens the life of the landfill.
Customers who haul their own waste must separate 4 types of materials: corrugated cardboard, scrap metal, yard waste, and clean wood, and place them in designated recycling bins or areas. It's easy. We'll show you how.
You can drop off recyclable materials inside the building near the garbage area. Follow the blue pavement stripe for recycling and the green pavement stripe for yard waste. Look for recycling signs which show what's accepted in each recycling bin or area.
Yard waste, including branches, leaves, grass clippings, and holiday trees, can be unloaded here. Clean wood, only unpainted, untreated wood such as lumber and pallets, can be unloaded here. Remember, clean wood and yard waste are not accepted in garbage. The fee for separated yard waste and separated wood is less than the garbage fee.
Scrap metal, including aluminum, brass, copper, iron, and steel. Place non-refrigerant appliances such as stoves and washing machines here near scrap metal. Place refrigerant-type appliances such as refrigerators and air conditioners here. Corrugated cardboard boxes should be placed here. These boxes have ridges in between each layer. Corrugated cardboard does not include paperboard, such as cereal or cracker boxes. Paperboard boxes can be added to bins that accept paper bottles and cans. Corrugated cardboard boxes must be empty. No styrofoam or other items. Flatten boxes before placing them in the bin.
Here are bins for paper, glass bottles and jars, tin and aluminum cans, and plastic containers such as bottles and jugs. Please make sure drink and food containers are empty, clean and dry, no liquids or food. Shredded paper is not accepted. Do not place plastic bags in these bins. All materials should be loose.
Textiles such as clothes, shoes, curtains, linens, and other fabrics can be placed in this bin. Reusable, as well as torn, worn, and stained items, even single shoes and socks are accepted.
The Factoria Hazardous Waste Facility, located at the Recycling and Transfer Station, accepts limited quantities of hazardous waste from residents and eligible businesses. After entering the Recycling and Transfer Station, follow the signs and the yellow pavement stripe to the hazardous waste drop-off. Accepted items include motor oil, antifreeze, oil-based paints, stains, thermometers, thermostats, fluorescent light bulbs and tubes, and products labeled caution, warning, danger, or poison.
Residents may drop off up to 50 gallons per day, with a maximum of 25 gallons per day for gas, oil, and antifreeze. No individual container can be larger than 5 gallons. Before you visit, view the website for hours of operation and a list of accepted materials. Quantity limits apply to eligible businesses. Before you visit, see the website for details and fill out a business disposal form.
Customer service is important to us. Please ask employees if you have questions or need help.
Thank you for visiting Factoria Recycling and Transfer Station.
Thanks for recycling, everybody. Every little bit helps.